What is happening, y'all? It is Andrew from IDB here. Sena has a few things out there that I really like. You get some awesome iPad cases, some really cool iPhone cases, but the one thing that is completely unique to them that I've not found something from anyone else that compares is their leather case for the Apple Watch. I've been using this for a couple years now, and it's probably one of the go-to accessories. Like I switch out my bands regularly. I try all these new different things, chargers, everything. But I've always had this thing around because it is super useful, convenient, and it looks really nice. The outside is made out of genuine leather. It looks really nice. It feels really nice. It smells like leather when you open it up. Inside, everything is pretty much a matte black. You can barely even see it on camera because of how black it is, and it's just kind of a basic microfiber type lining, like a little velvet or suede type lining there just to keep everything nice. It does collect a little bit of dust over time, I will admit to that, but it's something that doesn't kind of brush off fairly easily. And it comes into three different parts: the top part, the bottom part, and then the middle part here. That middle part is where your cable will actually wrap around for your Apple Watch, keeping it really nice and managed when it's in your bag. So you notice on the bottom portion here, we have that output port where the actual cable can go out. The middle, you can see we've added our own charging puck. It does not come with one. We've wrapped the cable around a whole bunch of times so that way it's easy to travel with. Then whenever you get to where you're going or whether you're at home, you simply unspool the cable to as much as you need out of the back. Then you can simply rest your Apple Watch on there and you're good to go. It even supports a nightstand mode so you can easily see the time throughout the evening. Then there's this top portion here. You can use this to cover it up on top if you have your Apple Watch in there and it is protected with that nice soft lining so it doesn't hurt your watch, or you can put it underneath and give yourself a little bit of a boost, make your Apple Watch sit up just a little bit higher. The way I generally use this is I actually keep an extra band or two inside of this little case, because when I'm traveling I usually have my Apple Watch on, so I put some extra bands in here and those can sit easily, nice and safe underneath my Apple Watch charging stand throughout the night and throughout the day. I'd say it also looks pretty darn sharp. I absolutely love the look of this thing and the functionality. I mean, you can have everything you need. As far as a charger goes, works in nightstand mode, holds it up easily, protects your Apple Watch. Good to go. Has cable management built in so you can have short or long lengths of cable. It works for travel because you can easily take this with you. It spools up, keeps everything managed. You can take extra bands with you so you don't have to worry about that. Or you can just leave your Apple Watch in there if you needed to and put the top over it and you're good to go. It's going to stay in place because of the magnet of your charger and protected with all the soft lining of the interior of the box. If you travel a lot or you're just looking for some new Apple Watch accessories, I can't recommend this enough. I honestly have been using this for several years now, pretty much since it launched, and I absolutely love it. You can find it at the link below in the description and let us know what you think down in the comments. Till next time, go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up. This has been Andrew with IDB.